In today's world, it's harder than ever to maintain optimal health. Modern diets are often lacking in essential nutrients, and our busy, stressful lifestyles take a toll on our bodies. Most of us are missing out on the key vitamins, minerals, omega-3s, and probiotics we need to feel our best. These gaps in nutrition and gut health can leave us feeling drained, run down, and vulnerable to long-term health problems. But there's a solution. The Foundational Wellness Bundle, a powerful combination of 3 products designed to address these nutritional gaps and support your overall health. With VMG Plus, E Omega Plus, and doTERRA PB Restore, you get everything your body needs to thrive. At the heart of this bundle is VMG Plus, a revolutionary multivitamin that goes beyond basic nutrition. VMG Plus delivers over 90 whole food-based nutrients, enhanced by CPTG essential oils for superior absorption. With advanced technology, it ensures your body gets the vitamins, minerals, and greens it needs to stay energized, support immunity, and promote optimal cellular function. Whether you're looking to fill nutritional gaps or elevate your wellness, VMG Plus is here to build the foundation. But wellness doesn't stop there. E Omega Plus is your go-to for heart and brain health, delivering 900 milligrams of omega-3s in every dose. EPA and DHA fatty acids sourced from wild-caught fish are essential for supporting heart health, cognitive function, and maintaining a balanced inflammatory response. Enhanced with wild orange essential oil, E Omega Plus offers superior absorption and protection, ensuring you get the most out of every soft gel. Supported but inconclusive research shows that the consumption of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. And let's not forget about your gut. doTERRA PB Restore completes the bundle by delivering powerful gut health support. PB Restore uses innovative dual-chamber technology to deliver 18 billion active probiotics to your gut, where they can go to work. doTERRA PB Restore ensures your microbiome has everything it needs to thrive. VMG Plus, E Omega Plus, and PB Restore form a complete wellness system, supporting your body's foundational needs: nutrition, heart and brain health, and gut health. You're not just investing in your health, you're also getting an incredible value. You would need to spend over $250 on products to get only a portion of what's in VMG Plus, and that doesn't include the other 2 products. Buying them together, you unlock incredible savings, giving you a complete wellness solution at a great value. Contact a wellness advocate today to take advantage of this special offer. Make the choice today to support your heart, your brain, your gut, and your overall well-being.